Hey y'all, we're not gonna waste time today. My name's Olineece. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time, and welcome back if it's not. Okay, today, you know I love to give y'all a little preview. So we already working with it. We're already working with it. You feel me? It's this unit right here. But anyways, if you guys want to know all the details and specs about this, wait, hold on. Why am I just not gonna put myself out there? I need to put myself out there. Hold on. Before we get into this video, if you didn't know, you about to know. I make Amazon wig reviews on my channel, so make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. Back to business. So let's talk about this wig that got bippity boppity boo today from Hurela Hair Company. So let's get into this video right now. Hey you guys, so today we are working with Hurela Hair. This is the box that the unit came in. It's so cute and pink, and you guys know how I love my pink. Anyways, you do get a wig cap. Also, I don't know if this came with the unit. Not sure. I have a bunch of headbands lying around because of all my headband wig reviews, but besides that, let's get into this wig, you guys. So this is the wig itself. This is a T-part fake scalp wig with baby hairs. I'm showing you guys a close-up of the fake scalp. The fake scalp part on there was sewn on there pretty tightly, so if you decide to wash this wig later on, I feel like it's going to be of high quality and it's definitely not going to come off. This wig is 150 density, and I can tell you guys that it goes all the way to the ends. Honestly, this was like one of the most thickest T-part wigs that I've ever experienced, okay? And I am going to go in here and show you guys that this wig is T-part. So you do have your part that they already give you, and then on the sides there are tracks right under that part. So just so that you're aware, if you guys want this wig in a 13x4 lace frontal, then you're definitely able to get it in that way. And the wig starts at 14 inches and it goes all the way up to 24 inches. And at this time, the wig price that I have is, y'all, is discounted for $167.20. So let me tell y'all, this wig is a steal, honey. She is a steal, because when I put her on my head and I show you guys all the specs of this wig, it's amazing. So there are some holes there, but that's because I actually went in and plucked this wig. Don't be afraid of that. It wasn't there in the beginning, I promised you guys. So I just went in and started customizing her so that she would fit on my head and just look flawless with my skin tone. I did use this Ebon spray, and this was actually my first time using this, you guys. I usually just throw on some makeup and go about my day, but I will definitely put the link to this Ebon tinted spray in the description box below, as well as the link to the wig will definitely be in the description box. But I was surprised. She was doing a third thing. This wig did have knots in the front, and they were kind of big knots, but they were definitely cover-upable with some makeup in the beginning and in the end. And here I am doing my little dancey dance, y'all. My little dancey dance, because I was happy, okay? She's so thick. I didn't even have to cut the ends of this hair to look like this. This is how she came straight out of the box. And she was such an easy install because she is a closure T-part wig. So you don't have to use as much glue, and there's not as much styling involved. For the rest of this video, you guys, I did go in and style this wig. I ended up wearing her straight just because I wanted to show you guys the versatility of this wig. She can go from this wavy texture to straight, and she looks beautiful either way. I just want to let y'all know I'm looking at their website right now, and this wig is true to everything they're saying except for the 150 density, because I'm telling you guys, this feels like close to 200 density. This is the thickest, waviest wig I've ever had, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm really excited to show you guys the price. Okay, $167.20 is a steal. They even have quad pay available on their website, so make sure you go check that out. On their website, they'll also give you some more information. This is their natural colored hair. It's described as Brazilian, Malaysian, or Peruvian hair, and it's their 8A grade hair. And if you guys know anything about grade hair, the higher you get, the better the hair is, and so this is some good quality hair, okay? For the rest of this video, I'm actually just going to show you guys how I'm installing this wig. If you guys like this wig, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Also, the wig fit nicely. I know you guys, a lot of y'all ask if these wigs are big head friendly, and I have a big head. Okay, I got a big head. I got a knocker on me. So she is very big head friendly. I don't really have any cons about her except for the knots being a little big, but that creates the hair to stay in your wig longer, so it won't shed as much. And I actually didn't get any shedding with this wig whatsoever. Only the hairs that I plucked came out, so that's amazing. And that, but that's about it, you guys. I'm gonna finish customizing this wig and come back to you guys with some final thoughts in the end. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Like I said, all I used was those two products. If you want the link to those products, they will be in the description box below, as well as this wig. These are what the ends are looking like, you guys, okay? Word of advice, I didn't cut them. The ends were not cut, honey. Let me know what you guys think about this. I love this wig straight. I really wanted to see how versatile it could be. The waves in it were so pretty, so I'm definitely thinking about giving it some layers and ended up putting some curls in it because I don't know, y'all, my head is just too big for straight hair. My head too big for that. It's way too big for that. But anyways, there's been no shedding throughout this wig. Like I said, I did pluck it, so I did have the complication there. Other than that, look at her, y'all. And I'm about to go out tonight. We outside. We outside. Okay. Baby girl's being added to the collection. There's just like a collection of wigs that I will keep. And hello. Bro, why are closure wigs coming in clutch? Frontal wigs be a whole nother story, but closure wigs, baby, she's doing a darn thing today. Okay, I did go in and finish customizing her off camera, y'all. Did not add baby hairs because y'all know I'm just not a fan. I'm just not a fan of baby hair. I don't know, we getting too old for that. Black people were like, we're not gonna let Kim take over. But now everybody got baby hairs? Why does everybody have to have baby hairs though? Just my question. Probably because my head looks like a bowling ball without it. But anyways, I really hope you guys liked my video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. On your way out, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.